Some dishes don't need to be loud to be unforgettable. This roasted garlic hummus is one of them. I brought this to a game night and it was a crowd pleaser. Instead of raw garlic, I slow cook it in olive oil until it turns golden, mellow, and almost sweet. No sharp edges, just depth. And this step makes all the difference, removing the skins. It takes a few extra minutes, but gives you the silky, smooth texture. Then bring it all together. Chickpeas, tahini, lemon, and that roasted garlic with its oil. Blend until it turns light, creamy, and completely smooth. You're looking for something that holds its shape, but melts the moment it hits your tongue. And if you're going this far, homemade pita just makes sense. Soft, warm, slightly chewy, made to scoop, not just dip. And sweet peppers, cucumbers, carrots, simple things that let the hummus shine. Put it all together and suddenly it's not just hummus, it's something that you bring from the heart. Welcome to Lay's Kitchen, where flavors are without borders.